Hi guys! And of course, welcome to my channel where we discuss building a bridge between your business ideals and of course a successful business. On today's episode, we are talking all about social media trends for 2021. So y'all did not know I am a certified social media marketer and I just so happen to work in the marketing industry. So if you want some of my tips, stay tuned. The trend of having a Linktree link in your bio is brilliant. This trend should continue into 2021. And the main reason is because it gives you an opportunity to promote multiple things that you are doing to your target audience. Another trend to consider for your social media marketing strategy for 2021 is creating content that educates and entertains all at the same time. Essentially, studies show that people go on social media for one or two reasons. It is to be informed or to be entertained. So it's really best to do both. The main reason is because number one, it engages your audience while giving them the information that they need to continue to consume your products or services. And also, it really entertains them. And so with that entertainment, they're just going to keep coming back for more. Another trend to keep going in 2021 is showing compassion to your audience. The market is going to go plop, okay? It is going to continue to get worse and it's going to crash. Essentially, what that means is that your audience may have lost their job or even be going through financial difficulties. So you want to make sure that you're being compassionate towards them and also that you're showing support to the people who supported you this far. So really come up with a plan on what you plan on doing to help your audience. And they will remember it. And that will just continue to bring brand loyalty because they'll remember who helped them out when they were at their lowest. And when they get back up, they'll support you. Hi guys, it's me again, Tiana, and I'm just here to remind you guys to give this video a huge thumbs up, to go ahead and subscribe and turn on that bell notification if you guys are looking to join a growing community of millennial and Generation Z entrepreneurs. And of course, don't forget to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Also, if you guys are interested in increasing your income streams, then down below in the description box, there is a link to win 4 free stocks if you set up an account on Webull and also if you deposit $100 into your Webull account. Anyways, guys, I hope that you are enjoying this video, and without further ado, let's get straight back to the video. If you are a small business owner, I highly recommend that you add your personal information on your business account. So you may be able to link your business account back to your personal account. The main reason for doing this is because people work with people, okay? So though you may be representing a business, people want to know who they will be working with. What are some of your core values? What type of personality do you have? What are the processes and things like that? So it's really important that you're trying to build a relationship with your customer so that they really understand you a lot better, and that really just convinces people to buy from you. Also, when you add your personal information to your business account, vice versa, it gives you an opportunity to build your personal brand and your business brand. And a personal brand is so important because let's say that business fails, people will already know you and you'd already build a relationship with your target audience that you can always go back and start a brand new business based off of your personal brand. Another good trend to consider is creating a social media marketing strategy that is incorporated into your sales funnel. Essentially, all this means is that you need to understand how marketing on social media affects your sales funnel, okay? At what stage is your prospect seeing your social media content? Are they in the desire stage? Are they in the awareness stage? Are they in the action stage? Or are they in the interest and evaluation stage? Are you even creating content for prospects in each of those stages? And after creating that content for those prospects, how does that content help to convert them into paying customers? I'll go ahead and link down below a more detailed explanation on how to create a sales funnel in case any of you guys are completely confused about anything I'm saying. So thank you to everyone who gave this video a huge thumbs up, to everyone who went ahead and subscribed and turned that bell notification because they want to join a growing community of entrepreneurs, and everyone who commented down below content ideas. And guys, don't forget about those 4 free stocks if you create a Webull account and deposit $100. Everything's down in the description box. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you all soon. Bye!